Good morning, children. Once again, we are here with the new topic. Today, we are going to talk about the topic that is the second poem of our textbook titled The Indian Weaver. That poem is being written by the well-known poetess that is Sarojini Naidu. Sarojini Naidu is a versatile personality. She was a great patriotic, great politician. She has a very good command over speech. Not only that, she was a good administration too. In fact, at her early age, she was very fond of writing, and her father wanted her to be a mathematician. But when she has completed the poem of 1,300 lines, the name of that poem is The Lady of the Lake, and her father was also agreed, and he allowed her to pursue the career in the writing. Actually, the poem that is The Indian Weaver is quite simple. That poem has 3 stanzas of 4 lines each, and it has a regular rhyme scheme, that is aabb. It means that first line rhymes with the second and the third line rhymes with the fourth. So far as the figures of speech are concerned in that poem, we have 4 major figures of speech seen in that poem, and those figures of speech are none other than alliteration, simile, metaphor, and imagery. Friends, you already know that what is alliteration. Alliteration is the repetition of the initial letters sound. So far as simile is concerned, we have indirect comparison of 2 objects by using the word like, so as, that is called simile. You already know the well-known example, oh, my love is like a red, red rose. Metaphor, it's very much like simile, but the only difference between simile and metaphor is, in simile we have direct comparison, and in metaphor we have indirect comparison. So whenever two objects are indirectly compared, that is being known as metaphor. Life is a game. Life is a race. These are the well-known example of metaphor. Imagery, when the things are being appealing to our sense organs, that is being known as imagery, that we have already seen last year. Now we are going to talk about that poem. Actually, that poem has 3 stanzas, and every stanza represents something different. What does it represent? That is what we are going to see. See that those 3 stanzas have been representing the very first stanza, which is representing the childhood. Second stanza represents the adulthood, and the last stanza represents the death or old age. At the same time, it has been representing the 3 times of our life, that is birth,